Okay, children, this is going to be a matching exercise. Okay, we have to there are given a divided first syllabi and second syllabi. These are the first syllabi word. These are the second syllabi word. We want to match the first syllabi to the last syllabi, that is second syllabi. Okay, if you don't understand, okay, listen carefully. This is the first syllabi word, A-R-M, arm. A-R-M, arm. Okay, this is what? This is the arm chair. What is this picture? Arm chair. The first half syllable was given arm. You are going to find it out. Where is the chair? Here the second syllable was given here. You are going to find it out. Where is the chair? Keep your forefinger here and you are going to find it out, the chair. Did you find it out? Yes. Where is the chair? Yes, here is the chair. So shall I put a line here? Arm chair. Okay, after putting the line, I am going to write it on this particular box. Okay, you are going to tell me the spelling for arm chair. A-R-M chair. C-H-A-I-R. Arm chair. Arm chair. Okay. Okay, let's move to the next one. The first syllable was given here. Bull. Bull. Okay, what is this? Bulldog, isn't it? This is a bulldog. The first half syllable was given here. Bull. B-U-L-L. Bull. The first half word is given. You are going to find it out, that dog here. You are going to find it out, dog, in the second syllable word. Did you got it? Yes, everybody is telling correctly. Where is a dog? Yes, here is a dog. So shall I draw a line? Dog. Bull, dog. B-U-L-L-D-O-G. Bull, dog. Bull, dog. Okay. Okay, listen it. What is this picture? This is carpet. For first half word is given here, car, C-A-R, car. You are going to find it out, pet, in this second column. Where is it? Pet. Just keep your forefinger here and you are going to find it out where it is here. Car, pet. Yes, pet is here. So I am going to make a line here. Car, pet. C-A-R-P-E-T, carpet. Okay, next, I told you already, isn't it? If somebody wears a hat and shoes like this, it's not a shoe, it's a boots. If the person wears hats and boots, we can call as a cowboy. Cowboy. The first word is given here, cow. C-O-W, cow. Okay, you are going to find it out, the boy here. Okay, just find it out. Did you find it out? Where is the boy? Yes, cow, boy. Very good. Where you got find it out? Yes, very nice. Here is a boy, cow, boy. Okay, I am going to write it on this box. Cow, C-O-W-B-O-Y, boy, cow, boy. Okay, okay, listen, next to this picture, this is a dustbin, isn't it? This is a dustbin. The first half word is given here, dust. You are going to find it out, where is bin? In the second column. Yes, find it out quickly, children. Yes, where is a bin? Yes, here is a bin, B-I-N, bin, isn't it? This is a bin, dust bin. So I am going to write it here, dust bin. D-U-S-T, dust bin, B-I-N, dust bin. Okay, okay, listen, look at this picture carefully. What is this picture? This is handbag, isn't it? This is a handbag. Here the first half letter is given, and where is the bag? Yes, the bag is given here itself, so you don't want to search it. Handbag. I'm going to write it here. H A N D, hand, bag, B A G, hand bag. Okay, so okay, listen here. This is a lipstick. The first word is given, lip. You are going to find it out, stick. Where is stick? You are going to find it out in this column, stick. Did you find it out? Did you find it out? Where is bin? Yes, here is a bin. Very good. Here is a stick, lipstick. Lipstick. Okay, I'm going to write it out, the lipstick. L I P, lipstick. S T I C K, lipstick. Okay, and the last letter is, what is this? This is a mail box, isn't it? This is a mail box, M-A-I-L, mail. And you are going to find it out the last word, that is a next set of word, box, in this column. You are going to find it out, box, in this column. Keep your forefinger from the top to bottom, search it, the word box. Where is this box? Yes, here it is a box, a mail box. Shall I write it here? M-A-I-L, mail box, B-O-X, box. Okay, children. Okay, in this exercise, the picture is given, and the word is syllabi. The word is get syllabified. For example, arm, chair, arm, A-R-M, arm, chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair. This is bull, dog, B-U-L-L, bull, dog, D-O-G, dog. This is car, pet, C-A-R, car, pet, P-E-T, pet. Okay, this is cow, boy, C-O-W, cow, boy, B-O-Y, boy. This is dust bin, D-U-S-T, dust bin, B-I-N, bin. This is hand bag, H-A-N-D, hand bag, B-A-G, bag. This is lipstick, L-I-P, lipstick, S-T-I-C-K, stick. This is mail box, M-A-I-L, mail box, B-O-X, box. Okay, children, now you a little bit understand when comparing the last exercise. Now you can understand how to syllables a two word. Okay, still you are not understand, don't worry. We are going to do many exercise regarding the syllables. You can understand very betterly when doing the exercise regularly. Okay, so let's move to the next exercise.